Oh my goodness. Are you eating my sweater? You can't eat my sweater like that.
Can too.
No. Hey, Sophie. Hey, Sophie. You want up here too? One gets up here. They both want. Oh, my girls are so pretty. Please don't eat my sweater. Hey, girls. Come on, you gonna jump up there? Huh? Oh, you went up here too. That's a good girl. Yes. I love you too. My gosh, look at the hole they've dug over there. I love you too. Show Daddy what a pretty girl you are. Sophie.
She's out in the picture now.
Hey, we just turn the